现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for more Hakka music here on ICRT, and this is perfect for the tongue blossom season that is happening right now. A song brought to you by Luo Wenyu, and it's called Tongue Blossom Rain, or in Hakka, Tong Fa Yi. Now, the song describes the scene of a mountain as the tongue blossoms are falling like rain. It is romantic, it is beautiful, and is a perfect way to warm you up for this annual season.
大灯强强行里，离开都市感应区。欣賞懶人出身戲，融入自由而也比，地下嘅童話鬼，空氣中甜甜蜜蜜，愛身邊嘅黑有帶來溫柔陽光巴黎，優雅嘅數風景。天燈風傳來春天嘅消息，用雙翼數紅衣，旅行中一面面嘅風景，漫山嘅童話意，本風吹來，飄浪漫天，從山埋走水花去，轉啊轉轉摩天。漫山嘅童話意，從面孔慢慢消移，能等你共跳舞，享受民春公益。
曾经获得第27届金曲奖最佳客语歌手的罗文玉啊，当天我也在现场替他非常开心高兴哦。他创作了非常多让人耳目一新的客家歌曲，包括这首《童话意》，也就是童话语，描述着这个满山的桐花掉落的时候，就如同下一场童话雨一样浪漫又美丽。所以呢，在这童话季呢，大家可以带着心爱的家人或朋友呢，一起去赏童花吧。
漫山嘅童話意，本風吹來，飄浪漫天，從山埋走水花去，轉啊轉轉摩天。漫山嘅童話意，從面孔慢慢消移，能等你共跳舞，享受民春公益。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.